Hey guys, in this one we're going to talk about adding furniture and toiletries and a bathroom and walls and all that good stuff. So if I wanted to make this top part here my bathroom, I'm going to add in a wall. So I'm going to go to create a room by edge. I'm going to add a wall in here so that I have my bathroom wall. Now what I might need to do is move my end here up a little bit, but we'll see here as we add stuff in. So you've got sofas, you've got tons of furniture that you can add into your design. It's just all about making it fit because these are container homes. They may not all fit all of your furniture, so you may have to modify or go with like certain amounts. If you are doing a bar, you should add bar stools in. So there are bar stools somewhere on here. They might be further down, dining room. Yep, bar and counter seats. So you can add bar stools in. You may have to turn them around. So this is where I bring in my 3D view. And I kind of look at my bar stool. Okay. Now, I don't like to turn things around in the 3D view because it ends up doing this. So I'll actually pull my 2D view out, zoom in, turn it around, because then it just has to go around a certain area. And I can actually push my bar stool in a little bit. You should be able to. Push it in so it's in all the way under the counter. Now the really cool thing with the bar stools here is you can adjust the height, so you can make it taller or smaller, or just leave it where it's at. I'm just going to do undo so it goes back to where it is. If your bar stool is floating in the air when you go to add it, come over to elevation here. The elevation may just be up and just bring it all the way back down to 0. And then it'll make your bar stool there. Now the really cool thing is I can just take my bar stool, do Control C, do Control V, and then I get another one. So I can put another one in right there. Kind of a shortcut for getting your bar stools. Looks like I can probably only fit 2 there. Okay. Other things to add is in the bathroom. So bedroom, you have kids' beds, adult beds. Okay. The one thing is you don't want to block windows when you're adding things in, so keep windows open. You also want to make sure that there is room for the doors, so you got to make sure you have doors so that they can get to each of the rooms. So again, make sure you have stuff in. Now you can move these walls afterwards. I'm going to do it in my 2D view here. Okay, if I want this wall to go out some more, I can, however, I need to move my other end so that this still stays at like 20, and I'll have to move any furniture that I had put in too. Okay, so I can move stuff around. You just got to keep in mind that you need to readjust the other wall. So again, catalog takes you to any of the furniture that you need. And to get an A, you need to add a lot of extras in, okay? So maybe your bedroom has an elliptical machine in it, okay? Maybe it has that sort of stuff. It needs to be 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, or 1.5 bath. Finish. Finish is where we add our floors in. So I'm going to click on floor, and you can see all the different floor options. So you're going to choose a floor. When you choose your floor, all you need to do is click on it. Let me just choose a floor. And then click where you want it to go. And then click on it and click where you want it to go. It should load. It may take a minute for it to load in. Okay. And then I'm probably going to put some tile floor. If you want tile floor, if you go to finish, there's actually tiles. Okay. For your tile floor. Typically a bathroom has tile floor in it. It will not have carpet. Sometimes they'll have laminate, sometimes they'll have vinyl, but typically it's tile. I'm going to put tile floor in my bathroom. If I go to my 3D view, you can see all my flooring is in there now. The other thing that you need to do as you are adding stuff in, make sure your rooms are labeled in the 2D view. So see how it says unnamed right now? If I click on it and I come over here where it says unnamed, I'm going to name it. So this is master bedroom. This is going to be, if I click on the space, this is my, there isn't like a living and kitchen, so just choose like the living and dining room. Okay, this is my bathroom. And then this is the kids' room. Okay, or if you don't have a kids' room, let's say you do a master bedroom and this is your fitness room, so you don't need to necessarily do a kids' room. Okay, so now I've got them all labeled, and you can just keep adding furniture, changing the floor. The other thing you can do is the paint color. Okay, so if I want to paint the walls, let's say a blue color, I'm going to choose that blue and then I'm going to select the room. And then it paints all the walls the color that you want. Choose the paint, bring it over to the room. Oop, painted the floor. Just undo if something comes undone. There. Now I've got painted walls. But then, one thing you can add for extreme detail is wall moldings. Okay, a lot of times there's base trim in homes. And you can see it there. And you'll have to change the width and that sort of stuff to make it fit. But that's a going way above and beyond. And that's where we're at for that video.